Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the SSD or solid state drive in one of these Dell XPS 9360s. So yeah, I've never really replaced NVMe SSDs. I think this is an NVMe SSDs, but anyways, let's just get started. Got Windows 11, prefer Windows 10. So just wait for it to shut down. I hate these screens that are reflective. I don't think they have like any sort of anti-reflective coating. It's hot. Anyways, let's just get started. Damn it. So, scraping too much. Let's get a random piece of paper out of my nightstand drawer to put underneath it. There we go. So, you'll need a proprietary screw. This isn't a proprietary screw, but it's not a Phillips screw, it's some Torx. Yeah, it's a Torx screw. Just mixing it up with the tri-wing things. Those Apple unibody MacBooks. But anyways, just unscrew all the screws. So you'll need a specific type of screwdriver in order to get this back panel off. So now that that's done, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. You need to unscrew the single screw right here, and then the panel just comes off. Now there are no cables that you need to unplug. It just comes off. This is the battery. You can disconnect that. And this is our NVMe SSD right here. So just to keep that in mind, you'll have to get this type. So this is the solid state drive out of the computer. So how much is storage? 512 gigs. It's not too bad. I think my brother's gaming laptop has 256 gigs, which is not as much storage, and his laptop is full. So maybe do a nice little swap. But once you've gotten your new SSD, you can just put it in, screw it in, and then you're done. And then all you need to do is just connect the battery, which is pretty simple. You just gotta align it and push it in like that. So I gotta replace this battery. Actually, it's pretty unreliable. Sometimes you gotta use the charger to start it up, and So now that the cover is back on and clipped in, you can just screw it in. And then once you're done screwing it in, you can turn your laptop back on and reinstall Windows, format your drive, or reinstall your operating system. You might want to back up your data before you do that. plenty of videos out there on how to install Windows, so I am not going to do that. I wonder if this thing could run Windows 7. You think that's possible? Maybe Windows 8, Windows 8.1. There we go. So, now we can flip it over. I'm just going to do it like this. And turn on the laptop. Okay, the charger. Yep. So, anyways, that's about it for this video. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.